Are you ready to elevate your intimate moments? Meet Jamaican Black Stone, a natural solution for boosting endurance and control. Many men experience challenges in maintaining stamina and prolonging pleasure. Jamaican Black Stone is a time-tested, all-natural product known for its ability to delay ejaculation, allowing men to last longer and enhance their performance. Sourced from natural ingredients, it's safe, effective, and easy to use. Using Jamaican Black Stone is simple. Wet the stone and apply it to the head of the penis. Wait for 10-15 minutes, then rinse it off before engaging in intimacy. That's it, you're ready to go. With Jamaican Black Stone, you can experience improved stamina, better control, and heightened pleasure for both you and your partner. Enjoy longer-lasting moments and leave your partner more than satisfied. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what satisfied customers are saying about their results after using Jamaican Black Stone. Ready to take control? Visit JamaicanBlackstone.com today to learn more and place your order.